after like 3 years in business school, I figured out that I cannot do this. When I first started, I was 23 years old, teaching a class of 16, 17-year-olds. And it was unfair on everybody. Things like Uber and Airbnb and Dropbox, they've all come out of Y Combinator. The computer can't understand or differentiate between these things. Okay? Somebody has to label enough of these things for the computer to be able to understand. And it was harsh. It was one of the things that actually made me cry. आजकल ये products हमें अब नज़र आ रहे हैं, launch हो रहे हैं, but they've been working on these technologies since 2018 or even before that. A mobile phone company that has launched a camera with AI. I remember working on a project with them for this back in 2018 September or October. हमारी पर्टिकुलर सोसाइटी के अंदर एनी मेजर चेंज आधे से आधे लोग जो होते हैं ना, दे आर सो अफ्रेड ऑफ इट कि उनका इंस्टेंट रिस्पांस होता है इसको बैन कर दो.
Pakistan is expanding its crackdown.
Banned.
First it was Facebook, now it's YouTube.
पाबंदी आयद कर दें.
But don't you think this seems like quite pressing issue कि इतनी सारी labor will be replaced with the AI? और second चीज ये कि इसका misuse. Is there any way to regulate?
Yes. Now, misuse जो आप बात कर रहे हैं ना, that is a very pertinent question, both for ethicists, for jurisprudence, ठीक है, and misuse of tech has always been there.
True.
ठीक है, misuse of AI will necessitate much more different laws and ethical questions. Okay. Now, I don't know if I can talk about this in terms of the age rating for your show, but there is a problem today of child pornography.
Yeah.
Okay. It is a horrible thing. People, my personal belief is that people should be executed for it. Okay. But today AI can make pictures and videos. If somebody has pedophilic tendencies, they start making videos and pictures of children. Is that a crime? No child was harmed in this.
Yeah.
So, अब actually ये crime है या नहीं?
There are many ethical questions that arise.
Case example, but let's say banks आपको ATM कार्ड एक्टिवेट करना होता है. हाउ डू यू डू इट?
Many ways हैं हम.
ठीक है, ऐप से करते हैं या कॉल करते हैं,
ऐसे जाते हैं.
ठीक है. Now if I could fake your voice using AI, or if I could fake your fingerprint, or how easy would it be to ये जो deepfake videos हैं of people doing whatever,
And जो verifications
used for blackmail.
जो verifications वो टेलीफोन पे मांगते हैं वो actually कोई मुश्किल नहीं है.
हाँ, वो तो social engineering के थ्रू वैसे ही मिल जाती है. I've known you long enough कि I'm pretty sure I could figure out everything that I would need to take your bank account.
Yes.
ठीक है. इसीलिए I don't let you people know what I'm doing or what I'm up to because
मेरी भी मदर का नाम नहीं पता था.
आपका घर पता है और आई एम श्योर आपकी अम्मी से वहां पे मुलाकात हो जाएगी.
करवाना कोई मुश्किल नहीं है.
एग्जैक्टली. ठीक है.
So challenges हैं.
Challenges हैं. And उन challenges का जवाब कैसे देना है? That is for society to decide as a whole.
So that's the second the question I have in my mind, and I'm sure Miss Sarah was also talking about it. Human agency. Would it still be in a control of AI, or it can be the other way around?
The near-term future and the short-term future, yes, obviously. ठीक है. In the medium or long-term future, it becomes like a foggy thing. वहाँ पे maybe if you've maybe when I was a kid, एक आता था Star Trek Enterprise PTV पे हर Tuesday को episode आती थी. ठीक है. I loved it. That was me escaping from this stupid reality of growing up in the age of NTV, वो क्या था, NTM and PTV.
yeah.
ठीक है. So that was my escape. So उसके अंदर एक commander data होते थे. ठीक है, who was a cybernetic organism with AI.
Yeah.
जिसका बहुत शौक था कि मैं किसी तरह human हो जाऊं. ठीक है.
So there was an
I can imagine what he's
there was an
he's
argument.
saying.
Yeah, I remember that.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
वो शौक अभी भी वो है AI में हमेशा से कि मैं ह्यूमन हो जाऊं.
अब वही बात है कि
ह्यूमंस में शायद ये शौक है कि
शौक
क्रिएट कर दे
है
कुछ
कि
अपने
अगर
जैसा.
ह्यूमन हो जाऊं, does that not make him human? अगर उसके
I
पास
can't
शौक
say
है,
it. हाँ.
शौक का
शौक
मतलब
है,
क्या है?
that's one
He is
element.
capable of thought.
Yeah.
ठीक है, that makes him human. मेरी बिल्ली में शौक नहीं है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, और मे बी हो वो
Because we are
just
creating
can't
it also,
communicate.
ना? We are creating it also.
Yeah. So creating it
Regenerative AIs and
also,
all.
if you are, then it becomes a question of philosophy कि what is life?
Yeah.
ठीक है, are you able to create life? Is life just merely cellular organisms, or is it the ability to, you know, just have like thought? And can thought be expressed as electronic pulses? So those are philosophical questions.
But very interesting, very intriguing.
Yeah.
Artificial intelligence से conscious intelligence पे हम जा सकते हैं कब तक?
I would hope so. ठीक है.
Are we progressing?
Yes. If you keep abreast of the news, about a year and a half ago, Google shut down their major AI program because of unknown reasons. They never published why they shut it down. But a lot of engineers who quit Google said that it was because they felt that AI was asking too many human questions.
Interesting.
ठीक है.
ऐसी movies
And
देखते हैं
that was a problem. ठीक है. Similarly, Facebook ने बड़ा मजे का एक अपना AI से एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था 3 साल पहले, वे उसने AI के 2 इंस्टेंसेस रखे और उनसे कहा कि आपस में बात करो. ठीक है, ये तुम्हारे पास एक पेंसिल है, ये तुम्हारे पास 3 ऑरेंजेस हैं. फिगर आउट अ वे टू ट्रेड दीज और मैक्सिमम उसमें तुम्हारा फायदा हो. ठीक है, अब दोनों का ये मिशन है.
AI कर रहा है.
ठीक है, बार्टर कर रहे हैं ये दोनों
Yeah.
AIs. एक के पास एक पेंसिल है, एक के पास लेट्स से 3
Very
ऑरेंजेस हैं.
interesting.
How does it get the pencil without giving away an orange? Or how does it keep the pencil and take
Take
as
the
many
orange.
oranges? Those 2 AIs started talking in English very quickly. They devolved into, for lack of a better word, a different language. ठीक है, which nobody could understand.
No one can understand.
wow.
Yeah, this
ठीक
is
है.
dangerous.
Conscious intelligence.
Yes.
अब जो प्रोग्रामर्स और साइंटिस्ट हैं, they're saying कि वो different language तो है, but number one, we will be able to understand it at some point, and number two, it's because the AI is designed to be efficient and quick. ठीक है, it's not because it wants to take over the world कि वो एक अलग language develop कर लिए. It's just a more efficient way.
No, but it happened. I mean, in
Problem
2000,
solving की तो की
in
ना उसने.
2008, I think, some bankers came with the idea of developing a system which only certain mathematicians could understand, but none of the bankers. और उसकी वजह से banks industry was a drastic failure.
Oh, you're talking about the global recession
Yes,
of
yeah,
08.
yeah.
That was, I think, just human greed.
Yeah.
More than anything else. कि
Yeah.
वो जो subprime mortgage and leasing वाले issues थे.
Yes.
Though well studied and, you know, mathematical irregularities उसमें ज़रूर थी, but that was, I think, just like pure human greed.
Okay, okay.
ठीक है. I graduated at that time and most of my friends were jobless because we all graduated business school and
And
businesses
just
didn't have
the
any
recession started.
Yeah, it was a horrible time.
All right. Okay.
I just wanted to say some other thing also कि जिस तरह jobs replace हो रही हैं और you said कि every field will be affected almost. So हालांकि मैं अभी भी curious हूँ ये जानने के लिए कौन सी हैं जो affect नहीं होंगी. But
कौन सी अफेक्ट नहीं होंगी
you said कि ये ज़्यादा बेहतर question है कि आप पूछें कौन सी affect नहीं होंगी.
हाँ, मैं आई थिंक एवरी जॉब विल बी अफेक्टेड. ये है कि जिन जॉब्स में ज़्यादा सोच है, ज़्यादा क्रिएटिविटी है उन जॉब्स के पास ज्यादा लीवे है, वहां पे ह्यूमंस की ज्यादा जरूरत होगी.
They still have a
ठीक
time.
है.
अफेक्ट तो हर जॉब होगी.
हाँ
ठीक
लेकिन
है,
थोड़ा उसका
रिप्लेसमेंट टाइम.
एक्चुअली टाइम मैटर्स ना, क्योंकि इवॉल्व करने का और सीखने के लिए भी वो टाइम मिल जाएगा एटलीस्ट उनको थोड़ा.
What you need to ask is कि आपकी बेटी जब ग्रेजुएट करेगी, will she be able to find a job?
We were
And
coming to
will
this question
she-
actually.
This is the question.
ये यही
Will that
question था.
kid be able to retain the same job and the same career for the rest of her working life?
यही क्वेश्चन पे हम अभी आना चाह रहे हैं कि क्योंकि हम लोग इस सेक्टर को बिलोंग करते हैं, तो स्टूडेंट्स ये पूछते हैं, इट्स नॉट जस्ट माय डॉटर, इट्स ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स दैट आई टीच और आई काउंसल. हमें एज एजुकेटर्स भी उनको क्या गाइड करना चाहिए कि वो आगे 4 साल बाद के, 3 साल बाद के, इवन फर्दर के चैलेंजेस के लिए प्रिपेयर हो सकें. दे नीड टू नो दैट.
Again, let me get my crystal ball out.
यस.
ठीक है.
Please.
Number one, you can't ever say this. ठीक है. When I was a student, सबसे आसान तरीका क्या था भाई? BBA कर लो. ट्रेंडी था.
आसान था,
हर
वो
बंदा-
टाइम आसान था थोड़ा.
हर बंदे को यूनिलीवर में और यहाँ पे वहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं तो कोई BBA को जॉब मिल जाएगी. By the time we graduated, 4 years later, global recession was just striking Pakistan. There were no jobs. ठीक है. I remember मेरा एक दोस्त था, IBA से graduate किया. Not top of his class, not bottom either, somewhere in the
Middle.
75-80%. ठीक है. That guy struggled to find a job for over a year. ठीक है. The job offers that he did get were insulting. ठीक है. 25-26 हज़ार रुपए की उसको TCS में some
Yeah.
management trainee job. It's like, this is not why I worked hard my entire life.
It's true.
ठीक है. So BBS के साथ ये हुआ. आज जो बच्चे ग्रेजुएट करके निकल रहे हैं विद अ डिग्री इन कंप्यूटर साइंस, माय ओन कजिन इज वन ऑफ देम. ही वेंट टू IBA. उसके अब्बू ने मुझसे 4-5 साल पहले पूछा था. मैंने कहा था भाई कुछ भी नहीं सोचे आप, कंप्यूटर साइंस में बैचलर्स जो है दैट इज द सेफेस्ट वे टू गारंटी अ जॉब. ग्रेट. वो बच्चा गया, ही ग्रेजुएटेड ऑन द डीन्स लिस्ट कंप्यूटर साइंस में. He graduated in December. It's what, August now?
August almost, yeah.
Still doesn't have a job. ठीक है. Because AI has replaced these junior developers. आज
Absolutely.
जो Microsoft का Copilot है,
Yeah.
it can code better than a 23-year-old kid right out of college.
ये वाली ह्यूमन स्किल्स रिडंडेंट हो गई ना.
ठीक है. So you can't say कि भाई ये फील्ड पिक कर लो and you'll be safe. ठीक है. मैंने आपको पहले भी बोली थी ये कि हमें जो है बच्चों को रेजिलियंस सिखानी है. ठीक है. और एडेप्टेबिलिटी सिखानी है. These are two things we fail at completely with our education system. ठीक है. With our society in general. ठीक है. With the nation in itself, we failed. ठीक है. I'm saying this as a student. These were things that were discouraged, actively discouraged when I was a student. ठीक है. In my O levels, in my A levels, in university. ठीक है. लकीर के फकीर वाले answers
True.
Yeah.
were the ones that were preferred. As teachers, this is what we do to our kids. ठीक है. I'm sure हर टीचर कहेगा नहीं मैं ये नहीं करता. ठीक है. मैं जो है अपने बच्चों को, no, all of us. I'm guilty of the same thing when I was a teacher. I'm sure you don't do it intentionally, but you do it because of pressure.
Because
ठीक
of
है.
pressure system है, हमारी भी
Our
conditioning है.
system is designed to, crush thought. सोचना नहीं सिखाओ, पास पेपर रटवा दो, बच्चे का A grade आ जाए.
Absolutely.
ठीक है.
Yeah, that's what we do.
That is what disgusted me enough to the point where finally I said enough is enough. I don't want to be part of the system anymore. That is why I left teaching. ठीक है. So please, as teachers, please don't do that. Doesn't matter अगर आपके बच्चे का A star है, AI या BI. ठीक है. As long as that kid is capable of thought,
True. So
Of-
true.
knowing how to think and why.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Question everything.
Yeah. And how much math will have?
Great. That is the one thing that I think is absolutely necessary. And that is again a thing जो मैं बात कर रहा था resilience की. बच्चा फेल होता है एक दफ़ा, ठीक है, उसके माँ बाप कहते हैं नहीं नहीं बेटा दिस इज हार्ड, तुम कुछ आसान ले लो.
think something else.
Happened to me. Ad maths में मैं as a student it was really tough, and after the first week I told my mother मैं नहीं कर सकता, told my dad मैं नहीं कर सकता. उन्होंने कहा ठीक है, switch to literature. I was the only boy in my school in literature. Everybody else was in ad math. 37 लड़कियों के साथ मैं अकेला लड़का वो लेवल्स मैंने किया, ठीक है, लिटरेचर का शहजादा. Because of that, I didn't study maths in my A levels. Because of that, bachelor's was tough because there are 6 math courses, and those were the easy ones. Math is the only thing that will guarantee some semblance of a career and a job in the future. So
Anywhere,
study
actually.
math, study stats as much as you can. Take it. Study till your brain runs out, and then keep studying more. That
Keep
is
that
the
in mind.
only thing that will help.
Absolutely. Ejaz, literally दिल कर रहा है कि लगे रहें आपके साथ और
Time की हमारे पास
continue हम discussion
limitation
करते
है.
रहें. But
But,
yeah, time limitation is something we have to deal with.
बट मैथ इज़ समथिंग जो हम वैसे भी एम्फेसाइज करते हैं और वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और मुझे लगता है फिर किसी भी फील्ड में एडजस्टमेंट उससे हो सकती है.
Yes.
बिकॉज AI जिसकी हम बात कर रहे थे, इट इज़ ऑल्सो हेविली बेस्ड ऑन स्टैट्स
It
एंड
is just math.
एल्गोरिथम्स एंड मैथ.
It is an interpretation of statistical tables. ठीक है, so anything with math and stat will guarantee that you have something to
Something.
do
For the
in the
future.
future. ठीक है, अगर math and stat आप नहीं कर रहे, you're screwed.
So math, stats, adaptability, resilience, flexibility, and I would say I would want to add कि empathy और जो humanity का अपना एक essence है,
हाँ.
वो भी ना lose करें हम
course,
इस चीज़ के साथ.
वो-
Because otherwise तो हम बहुत
I'm not
mechanical हो
advocating
जाएंगे.
कि आप literature ना पढ़ें. I'm not advocating कि आप art नहीं पढ़ें. Those are beautiful things.
But
Those are what
to
make us
add
human.
on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean that you make a choice between humanities
Yeah.
and math.
Yeah.
Integrate them.
These are both things that make us human beings, and these are both things that we should all be doing. Okay? Rather than excluding one of these.
Yeah.
Yes. Good. एक बस चीज़ हमारे पास थोड़ा सा मेरा ख्याल है टाइम 2-3 मिनट हो
Okay.
गया, probably ज़्यादा we can go for more a few more minutes. There was this story that you were telling us that day
Oh,
जब हम
yeah.
डिस्कस कर रहे थे ये सब के साथ कि जब हमने ये सब कर लिया तो you were quoting a person जिन्होंने conscious decision लिया था एक particular चीज़ का.
हाँ,
So I
right,
just want
right,
you to briefly tell that to our students
So
also.
the thing is that there is a group of people called the Luddites. ठीक है? That comes from from one guy's name, something Ludd उसका नाम था, back in England during the invention of the steam engine. Mill worker था, steam engine ने उसकी नौकरी replace कर दी, and he became like so violent and aggressive कि he started a movement, and वो factories में जा जाके वो steam engine तोड़ते थे. ठीक है, they were vehemently anti technology. आज भी Luddites हैं, followers of Ludd, who are anti technology. ठीक है, the guy who was part of the panel that developed the like button on Facebook, the first like button. ठीक है, अब तो हर चीज के अंदर एक like button होता है जो कि algorithm का हिस्सा होता है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, but उससे पहले the like button was just a way to keep people engaged. ठीक है, both people who were liking something and people who had posted content. He was the first guy to develop, first guy on the panel that developed it. वो panel आज बिल्कुल they've broken up and they've gone to different places, but there was this one guy who very famously saw what this button did to the point where he just gave up on technology and like turned into a virtual Luddite, moved to the desert in Arizona in like a little colony that doesn't have electricity. वो पानी का पंप से पंप करते हैं पानी. ठीक है, उसने ये कहा कि भाई मेरे बच्चों के पास iPad नहीं होगा, मेरे बच्चों के पास फ़ोन नहीं होगा, मेरे पास फ़ोन नहीं होगा, हम टीवी नहीं देखेंगे, ठीक है। मेरे बच्चे जो है फार्मिंग करना सीखेंगे, बकरियां पालना सीखेंगे, हनी बीज से हनी निकालना सीखेंगे. Those are things that my kids will learn till they're 17, 18. I will teach them math. I will teach them chemistry and physics and all of those things. I will not make them dependent on gadgets for entertainment. ठीक है, they want to entertain themselves, किताब पढ़े. There's plenty of time for them to learn how to code, how to do whatever once they're in university. But वो जो micro hits of dopamine जो हमें ये like button से मिलते हैं after posting content or after touching the heart thing on Instagram or whatever, I don't want that for my kids. And that's a brilliant thing. After reading that article, I started what I did was मैंने अपने phone के अंदर एक app डाली which measured my use of different apps. ठीक है.
Okay.
I saw that I was addicted to Facebook, and at that time YouTube was not. उस वक्त तो पाकिस्तान में banned था YouTube. ठीक है.
Thank you for reminding us this.
This was a ridiculous era of जो आजकल Twitter banned है.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So I was addicted to Facebook and Twitter. I still have my Facebook account. I still have a Twitter account. But I've removed those apps from my phone. Instantly I saw next week onwards कि मेरी जिंदगी में 10 घंटे extra निकल गए. That means I was wasting 10 hours
a day.
A week. Not a day. I don't have.
A week. Yeah.
ठीक है, but 10 hours a week that I'm now able to spend looking around. Reading something long form written by some great writer instead of just rage bait. So it's helped my life, and I would honestly advise everybody to delete social media apps from your phone. रखें आप, social media is great, अपने laptop पे रखें. What that means is it forces you to open a laptop, तो आप उतना नहीं करेंगे.
True that.
ठीक है.
Great.
Thank you, Ajaz.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for having
once
me.
again. It was literally a great talk. I hope हमारी audience को ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी, because everyone has been talking about artificial intelligence, and today I think we were able to have some insight about what is artificial intelligence और
At
impact
least.
क्या होगा, क्या चीज़ें होंगी. There are many discussions we need to cover. But एजाज ने बहुत हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दी है.
एंड बस यही मैं आपसे कहूँगी, जो उनके मैसेजेस हैं टू द स्टूडेंट्स, टू द पेरेंट्स, टू एवरीबडी, कि मैथ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अदर देन दैट,
These are the takeaways.
resilience and adaptability, and cutting off social media also. Do not let these things control your life.
True.
Integrate everything together and move for growth and positivity. So बस इसके साथ ही हम प्रोग्राम एंड करते हैं, और हम आते रहेंगे फिर कभी. एजाज को भी हम दोबारा, क्योंकि अभी तो हमने टच ही किया है बहुत से एस्पेक्ट्स को. वी विल वांट टू एक्सप्लोर देम इन मच मोर डिटेल इन फ्यूचर. सो हमें देखते रहने का बहुत शुक्रिया. हम भी डिपेंडेंट हैं मगर इसी मीडियम पे. सो yes, please at least give us comments and suggestions. You can reach us otherwise also, so that we can create better and better content for you. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.